Hey there, did you know trading can unlock a world of financial opportunities? Let me break it down for you. Trading involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, or derivatives, all with the aim of making a profit. Let's dive into the basics. Come in different forms. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are debt securities issued by governments or corporations. Commodities are physical goods like gold, oil, or agricultural products. Currencies refer to Forex trading, and derivatives are financial contracts whose value is based on an underlying asset, like options or futures. Now, where does all this trading happen? That's where come in. The stock market is where shares of public companies are traded, like the NYSE or NASDAQ. The bond market deals with debt securities. The commodity market exchanges raw or primary products. The Forex market trades currencies, and the derivatives market involves options and futures contracts. There are different players in the market. Retail traders are individual investors, institutional traders are large organizations like mutual funds or hedge funds, and market makers provide liquidity by buying and selling financial instruments. Trading happens on centralized or decentralized markets, and there are different. Market orders are immediate buys or sells at the current price. Limit orders are set to buy or sell at a specific price. Stop orders activate once the price reaches a certain level. Curious about? There's day trading, buying and selling within a single day. Swing trading, holding positions for days or weeks. Position trading, holding for months or years. And scalping, making small profits on numerous price changes. So how do you generate income from trading? Come from buying low and selling high or short selling. Our earnings from a company distributed to shareholders is earned from bonds and comes from selling options contracts. But remember, managing risk is crucial. Spreads investments across various assets to reduce risk. Automatically sell at a predetermined price to limit losses. Uses derivatives to offset potential losses. Use the right trading platforms like MetaTrader or thinkorswim, charts and indicators for technical analysis, and staying updated with news and research. Never stop learning. Understand market mechanics, develop trading strategies, and practice with simulation trading without risking real money. And don't forget, complying with financial regulations and market rules is essential, and in some cases obtaining necessary licenses or certifications. Trading can be profitable, but it requires a solid understanding of financial markets, disciplined risk management, and continuous learning. Success often comes from a combination of analytical skills, market knowledge, and effective strategy implementation. Ready to unlock the secrets of trading and earn money now? It's time to take the first step towards your financial future.